Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. Yay. Are you popping? Oh yes, welcome back to the popping channel. Here we get popping. I have another hair and makeup transformation today for you. Okay guys, my girl is gonna be coming in a minute and I'm gonna be glamming her up. Okay, but I'm gonna show you guys the hair that I'll be using in this video first before we use the hair. So the hair, guys, is from Ali Annabelle hair. Okay, I'm gonna open the hair so we see what's inside the hair. Okay, let me show you guys. Ali Annabelle wig, lace frontal wig, 13 by 4, 20 inches, guys. Lace frontal wig. Let's see the hair. Beautiful, guys. Straight from the pack, and it feels really nice. Like, look at that, guys. Even the lace is brown lace, not those white or gray looking lace. This is really nice. So if you want to get Ali Annabelle wig, I have put the link in the description box. Everything you need to know, discount code, everything is in the description box. Guys, I'm gonna be using this hair on my muse and you guys are gonna see the video. Okay, so stay tuned. guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful video. I have put a link to Ali Annabelle in the description box. Also, all my link is gonna be in the description box as well for booking, for registration. If you're a makeup artist or hairdresser and you want to join my team, the link is down below. Okay. Bye for now. Please share this video, please share, please subscribe, do all of those nice things. Okay. And also watch my other videos. Bye guys. Bye.